A pleasant day to everyone. Welcome to our virtual tour of La Union, the surfing capital of the North, and a province where waves, wonders, and warmth meet. I'm Lemon Macapagal, your virtual tour guide for today. Now, La Union is not only about surfing, it's a place rich in natural beauty, historical landmarks, and peaceful sceneries. Our interpretative theme today is nature, history, and tranquility in harmony. We'll explore three of La Union's gems: the mystical Imuki Island, the breathtaking Tangadan Falls, and the historic Luna Watchtower. Together, they tell the story of how La Union preserved its past while embracing nature's serenity. So fasten your curiosity and let's begin our journey through the treasure of La Union. Our first destination is a hidden paradise, Imuki Island, in Barangay Parawir, Balawan. From this aerial view on Google Earth, you can see small rocky corals islets surrounded by turquoise blue waters, almost like nature private lagoon, locally known as Imuki, meaning sea slug in the native dialect. The island earned its name from the unique coral formation resembling tiny sea creatures. The area features three natural lagoons separated by coral walls, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and peaceful reflection. What makes Imuki special? It is untouched beauty. It's not commercialized, and the community takes pride in keeping it clean and sustainable. Tourists are encouraged to follow local guidelines and avoid damaging the corals, reminding us that true paradise is preserved, not exploited. Imuki Island is La Union's symbol of natural simplicity, proof that even the smallest islands can hold the biggest wonders. Now, from the calm lagoons of Balawan, we'll journey to the rushing waters of San Gabriel, home to one of province's most iconic waterfalls. Welcome to Tangadan Falls, one of La Union's crown jewels and perhaps the most visited natural site in the province. Located in cool highlands of San Gabriel, Tangadan Falls offers both thrill and tranquility. Standing about 50 feet high, the waterfall cascades gracefully into a deep emerald green pool, surrounded by limestone cliff. From this panoramic view, you can almost feel the refreshing mist and hear the soothing rush of water. Adventurers hike for about 30 to 45 minutes to reach this spot, passing through scenic trails, bamboo forests, and river streams. A journey that rewards patience and endurance. Tangadan Falls symbolizes the balance between nature's power and peace. It teaches us the great beauty often requires effort to reach. Tangadan Falls represent La Union's wild heart, a place where nature might become a source of serenity. Now, as we leave the island waterfall behind, let's travel back in time into a site that has silent stood the test of waves and years, the Luna Watchtower. Here we are at the historic Luna Watchtower, a silent guardian along the coast of La Union. Built during the Spanish colonial period in the 18th century. This stone structure was originally designed as a defense post against pirate raids coming from the West Philippine Sea. The tower stands proudly by paved shores of Luna, facing strong winds and crashing waves. Over the years, it has witnessed countless storms, yet it continues to stand firm, much like the people of La Union who are known for their resilience and strength. Today, it serves as a heritage landmark and a popular photo spot, especially during sunset when the golden light hits its weather falls. The Luna Watchtower is more than just an old structure. It's a storyteller preserving the memory of La Union's bravery and endurance. The Watchtower reminds us that strength is not just physical, it's about standing tall through time, change, and challenge. And with that, we've reached the final stop of our virtual tour. As we end our virtual tour, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discovered. La Union is more than beaches and surfboards. It's a province where nature, history, and peace coexist. From the quiet lagoons of Imuki Island to the powerful serenity of Tangadang Falls and the timeless strength of Luna Watchtower. Each destination shares a story of beauty, courage, and balance. This harmony is what makes La Union truly captivating, a place that reminds us to stay grounded yet keep flowing like it waves. I'm Lemon Macapagal, and it has been my pleasure guiding you today. Thank you for joining our virtual tour journey through La Union, where the waves meet wonders. Mabuhay, and see you soon again.